Have you noticed that spark in your marriage dimming over time? You are not alone, and many couples struggle to keep the romance alive. But what if I told you there are simple steps you can take to reignite that connection? Connections and communication are the foundation of a strong and healthy relationship. When we first fall in love, it's easy to prioritize quality time with our partner. But as life gets occupied and responsibilities pile up, that quality time can dwindle. We get caught up in our little worlds. We live separate lives under the same roof before we know it. It's not that we don't love each other anymore. It's just that life gets in the way and we forget to prioritize our relationship. We stop trying to communicate, listen, and understand each other's needs. And that's when the spark starts to fade away. But it's not too late to revive that spark, rekindle the flame that once burned so bright. It takes effort, time, commitment, and a willingness to listen and learn from each other. And that's precisely what we are going to explore in this video. But here is the challenge. Many couples, just like you, face similar challenges in their relationships. They wake up one day feeling unconnected, unheard, and unseen. They struggle to find time for each other, and when they do, it's often spent arguing and discussing mundane things like chores and bills. So intimacy becomes a distant memory and the emotional connection fades away. You are not alone in this. We live in a world where stress and anxiety at an all-time high. These demands can be overwhelming, whether the pressure to meeting work deadlines, the constant comparison on social media, or the juggling act of managing family and personal lives. They often leave you feeling like you are just going through the motions, living separate lives, and your marriage becomes an afterthought. The truth is that life can be overwhelming and relationships can suffer as a result. You get stuck in a rut and don't know how to get out. You feel like you are just existing rather than truly living and connecting. It's not just about surviving, it's about striving. It's about creating a strong, resilient, and fulfilling relationship that brings both partners joy, happiness, and a sense of fulfillment. So, what can you do to revive your marriage and love life? How can you break free from the monotony and reconnect deeper? It all starts with simple, practical steps you can take daily to nurture your relationship. These steps including setting aside time for a daily check-in, planning a regular date night, expressing gratitude, and performing small acts of kindness. Let's start with the first one. Implementing daily check-ins is one of the most effective ways to revive your marriage. It's as simple as taking 5 minutes each day to talk to each other and share your thoughts, feelings, and desires. It's about being present, listening actively, and showing empathy towards each other. Another powerful tool is to schedule regular date nights. It doesn't have to be expensive. It can be as simple as making dinner together, going for a walk, or watching a movie. The key is prioritizing quality time together, free from distraction and interruptions. Expressing gratitude is also crucial in reviving your marriage. It's easy to get caught up in the negative, to focus on what's lacking. But when you shift your focus to what you are grateful for, it changes the dynamics of your relationship. You start to appreciate each other more and feel more connected and loved. Communication is also vital in reviving your marriage. It's not just about talking, it's about listening, understanding, and responding empathetically. When you communicate effectively, you build trust, intimacy, and a deeper connection. Small acts of kindness can also go a long way in reviving your marriage. Little things count, like surprise gifts, heartfelt notes, or helping each other around the house. These small gestures show that you care, pay attention, and invest in each other's happiness. Forgiveness is also essential in reviving your marriage. You are human, you make mistakes and unintentionally hurt each other. But when you forgive, you let go of resentment and anger. You create space for healing, growth, and deeper connection. Here is a powerful story. One of the most powerful stories I have encountered is of a couple on the brink of divorce. They had lost touch and their relationship was on autopilot. But they decided to take a chance to commit to reviving their marriage. They started with small steps like daily check-ins and date nights. They prioritized communication, forgiveness, and gratitude. Slowly but surely, their relationship started to transform. They started to connect on a deeper level, to laugh together and feel seen, heard, and understood. They realized their love was still there and hidden beneath the surface. And as they continued to nurture their relationship, that love flourished again. It is the inspiring power of small steps in transforming your relationship. That's the power of reviving your marriage and love life. It's not rocket science. It's about consciously prioritizing your relationship, communicating effectively, practicing forgiveness, and performing small acts of kindness. Remember, small changes can lead to outstanding improvements in your love life. It's not about making grand gestures. It's about consciously prioritizing your relationship daily. So start small, start today, and watch your marriage and love life transform before your eyes. If you found value in this video, please share your experiences in the comment section below. Your journey can inspire others, and if you are new here, consider subscribing for more relationship tips, insights, and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best on your journey to reviving your marriage and love life. Bye.
Silent love calling faith to shadow me through